Hello learners, I am Miss Musmari Nirmala here, and today we are going to see the classification of sulfonamides and are going to study few of their examples in detail. The learning outcomes of today's presentation are: the learner will be able to classify the sulfonamides and outline the different drugs belonging to the category of sulfonamides with respect to its physical properties, stability and storage and uses. Content of this presentation is: first, classification of sulfonamides, physical properties of sulfa drugs. The drugs which are to be covered in this presentation are sulfadiazine, sulfaguanidine, phthalate sulfathiazole, succinyl sulfathiazole, sulfadimethoxam, sulfamethoxypyridazine, cotrimoxazole and sulfacetamide. We have studied that the sulfonamides are the antimicrobial agents which contains sulfonamido group, that is SO2NH2 group. So now we are going to see the classification of sulfonamides. These sulfonamides are either classified chemically or on the basis of its therapeutic use. Chemically, these agents are classified on the basis of substitution either at N1 position, N4 position, or we can substitute at both N1 and N4 substitution. So let's see. So first class is N1 substituted sulfonamides. In this class is further subdivided into two types, that is sulfonamides with acyclic substitution, and example is sulfacetamide and sulfaguanidine. And second subtype is sulfonamides with heterocyclic substituents, and example is sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxazole, sulfadimethoxam and sulfamethoxypyridazine. Second main class or category is N4 substituted sulfonamides, and example is sulfasalazine. And third class is sulfonamides with both N1 and N4 substitution, and example is phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. Now, on basis of its therapeutic use, these sulfonamides are used either in systemic infection or local infection. So, they are classified further as sulfonamides used for systemic infection, which is again subdivided as sulfonamides used in urinary tract infection, that is UTI, and example is sulfamethoxazole and sulfacetamide. Second, sulfonamides used in respiratory tract infection, and example is cotrimoxazole and sulfadiazine. And third subtype is sulfonamides used in meningeal infection, and example is sulfadiazine. Then, on the basis of local use of sulfonamides, they are of following types. First, sulfonamides used for intestinal infection, and example is sulfaguanidine, phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. Then second, sulfonamides used for ophthalmic infection, and example is sulfacetamide. And third is sulfonamides used in burn therapy, and example is silver sulfa diazine and methidine. Many of the sulfur drugs have common physical properties like its color, odor, solubility and storage. So, let's see what is the color and odor of these sulfur drugs. So, maximum of these sulfur drugs are either white or yellowish white crystalline powders. They are odorless. Few sulfur drugs are tasteless, while few are acidic and saline or bitter in taste. So, let's see which sulfur drug has what type of taste. So, sulfadiazine, sulfaguanidine and sulfadimethoxine are tasteless. Sulfaestamide has acidic and saline taste. Then thallyl sulfamethoxazole, succinyl sulfathiazole and sulfamethoxypyridazine are slightly bitter in taste, whereas sulfamethoxazole is bitter in taste. Then solubility. All sulfur drugs are very slightly soluble in water and they are soluble in the aqueous alkali hydroxide solution and dilute mineral acids. Then the storage and stability condition for the sulfur drug is, as these drugs are affected by heat, light and moisture, it is required to store these sulfur drugs in tightly closed light resistant containers so that no heat, light or moisture can affect the stability of these sulfur drugs. So now it's time to study the drugs with respect to their uses and brand names one by one. So first example which we are going to see is sulfadiazine. So here is the structure of sulfadiazine. This sulfadiazine contains a heterocyclic ring substituted at N1 position, and this heterocyclic ring is pyrimidine. So the IUPAC name for this sulfadiazine is 4-amino N pyrimidine 2-il benzsulfonamide. Sulfadiazine is used to treat meningitis, then urinary tract infection. It is also used to treat toxoplasmosis in combination with pyrimethamine. It is also used topically in burn therapy. Then its different official preparations are sulfadiazine BP, sulfadiazine IP, sulfadiazine injection IP, sulfadiazine tablet IP and sulfadiazine injection USP. Brand names are AGX, Acorex, Urgicept, Burn8, Burnheal and Burnoff. Second example is sulfaguanidine. The IUPAC name for this sulfaguanidine is 2,4-aminophenyl sulfonyl guanide. It is used to treat local intestinal bacterial infections, bacillary dysentery and amoebic dysentery, and it is also used in ulcerative colitis. Its official preparations are sulfaguanidine IP, sulfaguanidine tablet IP and sulfaguanidine tablet PPC. It is known by the brand names as sulfaguanidine, enteroguanidine, Diacta and Guanidine. Third example is thallyl sulfathiazole. So, this thallyl sulfathiazole is used as antibacterial agent. It is used in treatment of bacillary dysentery. It is also used to reduce the bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery. Its different official preparations are thallyl sulfathiazole IP and thallyl sulfathiazole tablet. It is known as Thalidomide or Bl sulfate 3 in market. Fourth example is succinyl sulfathiazole. The succinyl sulfathiazole is also used as antibacterial agent in treatment of bacillary dysentery and to reduce the bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery. Its official preparations are succinyl sulfathiazole IP and succinyl sulfathiazole tablet IP. Then sulfadimethoxam is used to treat urinary tract infection. Its official preparations are sulfamethoxam IP and sulfamethoxam tablet IP. Its brand names are Bensulfa and Sulfadrin. The sixth example is sulfadimethoxypyridazine. This drug is also used in treatment of urinary tract infection and its official preparation is sulfamethoxypyridazine tablet IP. Now the next example, that is cotrimoxazole. The cotrimoxazole is the combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. These two drugs are combined in the ratio of 5:1 to form the mixture of cotrimoxazole. So here is the structure of cotrimoxazole and sulfamethoxazole and its IUPAC name. So physical properties of cotrimoxazole is it is white or yellowish white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has a bitter taste. It is soluble in alkali hydroxide. It is slightly soluble in alcohol and acetone and very slightly soluble in water. It is stored in light resistant containers. Now mode of action of sulfonamides. Similar to other sulfa drugs, these sulfonamides, that is sulfamethoxazole present in the cotrimoxazole, inhibits the binding of PABA to the enzyme dehydrogenase synthetase, whereas trimethoprim inhibits or inactivates the enzyme dihydroreductase folate, and thus due to the inhibition of these two enzymes there is no formation of folic acid and dihydrofolic acid respectively, and thus there is no formation of bacterial DNA, and in this way this cotrimoxazole inhibits the action or growth of bacteria and acts as a bacteriostatic agent. Now uses. This cotrimoxazole is used to treat genitourinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection. It is also used to treat bronchitis and pneumonia, meningitis, and it also used to treat different enteric infections like typhoid and paratyphoid. Its pharmaceutical preparations are cotrimoxazole tablet IP, cotrimoxazole injection IP, dispersible cotrimoxazole tablet IP, pediatric cotrimoxazole tablet, and pediatric cotrimoxazole mixture. It is known by different brand names like Bactrim, Cipline, Uretrim, Sulfotrim, Spectradius, and so on. Now last example is sulfaestamide. It is known by the IUPAC name as 1,4-aminophenylsulfonylamide. The sulfaestamide is used in treatment of eye infection, and systemically it is also used to treat urinary tract infection. Its official preparations are sulfaestamide IP and sulfaestamide sodium IP, sulfaestamide eye ointment IP. It is known by the brand names as Albucid, Locula, and Nibasulf. Thank you. Here we conclude our presentation.